Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 4th, and this is my PM market recap of the pound US dollar. So we're going to take a quick look at it on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't do so already, definitely join my Discord community. It is 100% free to join. Link for that is down here in the corner and in the description of the video. If you would like to join my website membership, it is fxpipcollector.com, and you get access to all the benefits listed down here below and more for only $30 per month. So anyways, the pound dollar did end up continuing up today. This morning I was talking about pay attention to your structure. If price is able to break and hold below structure, it's probably going to make a bigger move down. If it doesn't break and hold below structure, it's probably either going up for a wave 3 or a wave C. Never was able to break and hold below any structure, and it continued the high low series. Definitely still in an uptrend, either a wave 3 or a wave C. We really can't confirm that we really are in a wave 3, so keep an eye on it. There is definitely a chance that the higher time frame trend continues down because every single higher time frame is still in a downtrend technically. There's definitely a chance that this move up is a wave C and it does reverse to the downside. But as long as it continues to make that high low series, I would continue to look for longs at the end of every pullback I see. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord community. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.